Okay, now I'll show you the construction. This I made several years ago and use it quite a bit. The base is 1 inch uh, Baltic birch, 2 1/2 inch pieces glued together. There's a miter runner there. The bolt is recessed so it clears the table. This base that I use measures 12 inches by 24. This is the other side. I've got dados in it, and you can see the 5/16 bolt that comes up through. This is the top part. Those two miter runners run into the dados to guide it, and you can see there's a slot for that bolt. This is the back of it. The bolt goes through there. It's a carriage bolt, 5/16. I have well, a wing nut that holds that in place. So you can slide it back and forth on this bottom so you can get where you want it, get it to where you want it to be. I'm filming this with my Kindle because that's about the only thing I have. And this is the front part. I'll show you this detail here. This is a piece of all thread that I put a handle on and sharpened the screw. Sharpened the point, it screws into a 1/4 inch, 1/4 20 T-bolt, T-nut rather, like that. This is the stop block that the piece rests against, and it slides in this slot here and has a 1/4 20 all thread on the back side that's glued in with a 1/4 wing nut. And that's basically how it works. This slides back and forth to get your measurements, to get your where you want to set your log. And so you'll need to size your measurements to what your bandsaw can handle. Thank you for watching.